Meaning of deconstructionist.
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 Deconstructionist. Deconstructionist refers to a philosophical approach that seeks to analyze and understand the ways in which language, texts, and ideas are constructed and deconstructed in order to reveal their underlying assumptions and contradictions. The aim of deconstruction is to challenge traditional binary oppositions and hierarchies that structure our understanding of the world, such as good/evil, male/female, or nature/culture. By examining how these oppositions are maintained and subverted, deconstruction seeks to expose the limits of our knowledge and the contingency of meaning. Ultimately, deconstruction aims to create a more nuanced and open-ended understanding of the world.